Hello friends, my name is Tukaram Dikshit. Today's date is 6th January 2021 2022. Today's our topic is collection framework in Java. In that, first one, collection in Java. The collection in Java is a framework that provides architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. Java collection can achieve all the operations all the operations that you perform on a data, such as searching, sorting, insertion, manipulation, and deletion. Next one is Java collection means a single unit of object. Java collection framework provides many interfaces, for example, set, list, queue, dequeue, and classes. In that, array list, vector, linked list, priority queue, and head set, uh, hash set, linked hash set, and tree set. In that, first one is what is collection in Java. A collection represents a single unit of object, that is a group. What is a framework in Java? There are following points. It provides a ready-made architecture. The next point is it represents a set of classes and interfaces. Next one is it is a optional. It is optional. What is collection framework? The collection framework represents a collection. The collection framework represents a unified architecture for storing and manipulating a group of objects. It has first one, interface and its implementation, that is classes, and second one is algorithm. In that, do you know, in that uh, hierarchy hierarchy of collection framework. Let us see the hierarchy of collection framework. The Java util package contain all the classes and interfaces for the collection framework. In that methods of collection interfaces, there are many methods declared in the collection framework. They are follows. In that, first one is the public boolean add. It is used to insert an element in this collection. And the next one is remove. It is used to delete an element from the collection. The next method is uh, next method is retain. Retain, it is used to delete all the delete all the elements of a invoking collection except the specified collection. The next point is set size method. In that, it returns the total number of elements in the collection. Then public void clear, it removes the total number of elements from the collection. Then content method, it is used to search an element. Then iterator method, it returns an iterator. Then object method, it converts collection into array. uh, then empty, it checks the collection is empty. If collection is empty, then next method is equals, it matches two collections. And then public last one is int hash code. It returns the hash code number of the collection. Then first one, that interface, in iterator interface. In that iterator interface provides the facility of iterating the element in a forward direction only. Method of iterator interface, there are only three methods in the iterator interface. They are, first one is public boolean hash next. It returns true if the iterator has more elements, otherwise it returns false. Then second one is object public object next. It returns the element and moves the it returns the element and moves the cursor pointer to the next element. And the third one is public void remove. It removes the last element returned by the iterator. It is less used. Then next is iterable interface. The iterable interface is the root interface. root interface for all the collection classes. The collection interfaces extends the iterable interface, and therefore all the subclasses of collection interface also implement the uh, iterable interface. Collection interface. Next point is collection interface. The collection interface is the interface which is implemented by all the classes in the collection framework. It declares the methods that every collection will have. In other words, we can say that the collection interface builds the foundation on which the collection frameworks depends. In that, some of the methods of collection interfaces are boolean add, object, that means object add, object, boolean add all, boolean while clear, etc., which are implemented by all the subclasses of collection interface. Thank you.